What is Lean Startup Methodology? The Lean Startup Methodology is an approach to building businesses and products that aims to shorten development cycles, rapidly validate business ideas, and adapt quickly to market demands. Coined by Eric Ries in his 2011 book, The Lean Startup, this methodology draws inspiration from lean manufacturing principles, focusing on efficiency and iterative product development. Key principles of Lean Startup. The Lean Startup methodology is built on three key principles: build, measure, learn, validated learning, and continuous improvement. These principles guide startups in navigating uncertainty and making informed decisions with minimal waste. Build, measure, learn cycle. The build, measure, learn cycle is the core of the Lean Startup process. It emphasizes creating a minimum viable product, MVP, measuring its performance, and learning from the results to refine the product. Build. Start by developing a simplified version of the product, known as the MVP. The MVP contains only the essential features needed to test hypotheses about the product and its market. Measure. Once the MVP is built, test it with real users to gather data. This involves tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, and other relevant metrics to assess the product's performance. Learn. Analyze the data collected during the measurement phase to gain insights. Use these insights to validate or invalidate hypotheses, make informed decisions, and iterate on the product. Validated learning. Validated learning is a process of demonstrating empirically that a team has discovered valuable truths about a startup's prospects. It involves formulating hypotheses about what customers want and systematically testing these hypotheses. The goal is to learn what aspects of the product work and what needs to be changed, reducing the risks associated with launching a new product. Minimum viable product, MVP. The MVP is a crucial concept in Lean Startup methodology. It is the simplest version of a product that can be released to test a business hypothesis. The MVP aims to maximize learning with the least amount of effort and resources. By releasing an MVP, startups can quickly gather user feedback and make data-driven decisions on how to proceed. Pivot or persevere. Based on the feedback and data gathered from the MVP, startups must decide whether to pivot or persevere. Pivot. If the data indicates that the current approach is not working, a pivot involves making a significant change to the product, business model, or strategy. This change is aimed at finding a more viable path to success. Persevere. If the data shows that the product is on the right track, the startup continues to refine and improve it, following the same build, measure, learn cycle. Benefits of Lean Startup methodology. The Lean Startup methodology offers several benefits that make it particularly suitable for new ventures and innovative projects. Reduced risk. By testing assumptions early and often, startups can avoid investing heavily in unproven ideas, reducing the risk of failure. Customer-centric approach. Lean Startup places a strong emphasis on understanding and meeting customer needs, leading to products that are more likely to succeed in the market. Resource efficiency. By focusing on building only what is necessary to test hypotheses, startups can conserve resources and operate more efficiently. Adaptability. The iterative nature of Lean Startup allows businesses to quickly adapt to changing market conditions and customer feedback, ensuring they remain relevant and competitive. Lean Startup in action. Several well-known companies have successfully implemented Lean Startup principles to achieve rapid growth and market success. For example, Dropbox used an MVP in the form of a simple explainer video to gauge interest before building a fully functional product. This approach allowed them to validate demand and gather valuable feedback without significant initial investment. Implementing Lean Startup methodology. To implement Lean Startup methodology, follow these steps. Identify assumptions. List the critical assumptions about your business model, product, and market. Develop an MVP. Create an MVP to test these assumptions. Gather feedback. Launch the MVP and collect data from real users. Analyze data. Use metrics to assess the performance and validate learning. Pivot or persevere. Decide whether to pivot or continue based on the insights gained. Iterate. Continuously iterate on the product, refining and improving with each cycle. Conclusion. The Lean Startup methodology revolutionizes the way businesses approach product development and market entry. By focusing on validated learning, iterative cycles, and customer feedback, startups can navigate uncertainty with agility and efficiency. Whether you are launching a new venture or developing an innovative product, adopting Lean Startup principles can significantly increase your chances of success while minimizing risks and resource wastage.